वालेकुम व्यूवर। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर के एप्लीकेशन। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। ड्यू टू द remarkable progress of the computer technology, it is useful almost as in every aspect of life. Some of the important fields are the as under: एजुकेशन, बिजनेस, बैंकिंग, डिफेंस, इन्वायरमेंट। सबसे पहले है एजुकेशन। कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी है प्लेइंग ए वेरी वाइटल रोल इन एजुकेशन सेक्टर। कॉलेज स्टूडेंट गेट देयर स्टडी नोट्स, ट्यूटोरियल एंड इवन टेक्स्ट बुक एंड सॉल्यूशन manual with the help of the internet technology. It also enhance the students' learning and help to improve the quality of education. One of the great revolution in education is the e-learning. दूसरा है business. Computer technology is playing a very important role in the productively and competitiveness of the business. Sales and marketing departments are very important in any business sector, and internet has become a very vital tool for the sale and marketing. A customer can now easily buy and purchase products, and the payments can be made just by using smart card. Internet banking and electronics deposit or even can pay this bills online. आगे है बैंकिंग। Banking sector is also getting great benefit from using computer technology. Internet banking is an example of modern banking, which a customer can easily check balance while sitting at his home and can transfer funds without any queuing or physical footage. In fact, computer technology has um, eno- enormously saved the saved the user time. ATM anytime money is another example of the modern banking sector. A user can now draw money through ATMs anywhere and anytime, that is round the clock. Defense. The computer technology has productive application in defense. Computer technology is used in international uh, intercontinental ballistic missile, rockets, etc. that uses GPS global position system to help the missile to hit the specified target. Computer technology is used to track incoming missile and also help the weapon system to locate incoming target. Computer technology is also used in tanks and aeroplanes and ships to target the specified target of the opponent. More important of the computer technology has the capability to design and test new system. आगे है entertainment. Computer technology has also provided um, mostly high opportunities for the entertainment and the pleasure. In restaurant, the computer technology has now changed the trend to order the food at instead a person sitting on the computer directly enters your required food item and their respectively cost and finally give a computerized receipt. For example, Savior Savior Food Restaurant, where a man sitting on his computer get to your order and enter into the computer and then hand over a presented uh, receipt to customer. The customer then shows his receipt and collect his item. आज तक इतना ही, नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं नए टॉपिक के साथ। आज तक इतना ही।